because I didn't think it was going to make it. I thought it was going to be like a little side business, and I always would work for someone. But then it took off. It's taken us years. I mean, it took us 25 years to get where we are, and we have a great clientele. But our thing is, if you don't take care of that clientele with the right staff, they're going to walk.
Entrepreneurship is hard, it's not easy, it's something that most of us are struggle with. Sometimes you get to the point that you want to give up. You don't want to do it again. But some of us, we keep on going. We keep on going until we succeed. So for that reason, I have John Dyess, my dear friend, in the studio today. We're going to talk about entrepreneurship, business, philanthropy, and all that stuff, especially helping other people. Because when you help other people, you're actually helping yourself. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me, Rami.
Oh, you're welcome.
So much to me.
You're welcome, man. I know you for many, many years, John. You're born and raised in El Paso. You have a special gift. And your gift is you're always thinking about help others. Because if you help others, you're helping yourself.
For sure.
Why you do that? What is your story? What is the story behind that?
I don't know. Growing up, I don't want to say poor, but growing up, not having a lot of money and stuff, and seeing others, and growing up with friends of mine that had, going to their houses and their lifestyles. I was like, man, I want to be like that. And then as I got to where I'm at now, there's a motto that I've heard on other podcasts that say, if you don't help people on the way up, you're going to see them on the way down. So I always believe in helping people rise. I want everyone, if everybody makes it, we all make it. I just want everybody to make it. And as much as if I see someone falling, I want to be there, I'm going to do my best to try to help them. I can lead them to something and say, hey, this is what I can help you with. And then from there, hopefully they can take it from there.
When you're growing up, anybody help you? Honestly?
No. I'll be honest with you.
That didn't stop you to not helping others?
Watching my dad started a business, and watching him start it and get it going was something that I wanted to finish. Because he told me that he was, my biggest thing was that when my dad was, before he passed away, he goes, I'm proud of you. He took him like 60, I would say 40 something years to say that to me, but that was the best day of my life right there. Because he said it, like he goes, I'm proud of you, you made it. And I'm like, oh, thank you. I still don't think I made it, but it felt good. That's why I look at it that way. Sometimes there's certain people that make you want to hear from them. It's weird. Like I've had some of my biggest clients that told me, man, I'm really proud of you. And I'm like, wow, those things kind of make you feel good. Those things are the reason why I get up every morning.
Did you grow up